We are back for another episode. What we're going to do this week is we are just going to sheet all of our walls. So we have got them all prepared now. We've got all of our plumbing through, electrical through. So we did have to shift a lot of stuff from the old layout, but that's okay. This is going to work a lot better.
Welcome back to another episode with Sullivan Building. My name is Holly and I hope you have been following along on our journey so far. We are working on the master ensuite right now. On the last video we had all the demolition side of it, so this time we are putting it all back together and I hope you like what we come up with.
We just gotta get the bluey stuff.
Do a test fit?
On in, buddy.
Yeah, ripper.
You can just lean it back here.
We are now on to the last bit of demo. What we do, we go through and we cut out this area with a demo saw, then go along and jackhammer it. So the reason we do this is our shower base. So we have to have enough fall on it to get to our drain to meet all the requirements. So we're going to go along, clean it up, and then after that, we got to demo saw around all of our pipes so the plumber can come in and put all the pipes to the shower drain and a pipe to the new vanity area. I'll take you on a little walkthrough of where we are up to now. So that is the toilet and in-wall system. The bath plumbing is now in, and around here we have got our new vanity area, and that will be a huge double basin, and all the plumbing is now installed. Electrician has been, and all the lights for the wall sconces and mirror are in.
I don't know, you're 24 and you're covered in concrete. That's nice.
We have nearly installed all of our sheets now, so we have drilled all of our holes for our sinks and our tap. Everything is now ready to go, so we just put our glue on, so that's just stud adhesive, and then we go through and screw them all on. As you can see, we've got our little helper Milo there at work with us again, and we are nearly done.
Yeah,
We forgot about this, so
proofing will stick to the tape and you can peel it straight off. What we are doing now is we're just going to primer all of our walls and our floor, and then our waterproofing will stick to it, and then our tile glue will stick to it as well.
Alright, I have just primed all the walls, so then our waterproofer will stick to it. Before that, I have put bond breaker in all of our corners and around all of our outlets, so that is basically like a silicone product and it seals it off so no water can go through the back of it if it were to go through this waterproof barrier. So I just paint this on, leave it for 24 hours, then I'll come back and hit it with another coat. We have just installed the vanity in this area. We have got the bench top on, so everything's screwed into the stud wall. Now we are ready to go through and put all of our feature tiles on this wall. We have just gone with a grey subway tile. yours. Good morning. What we are going to get up to today is putting all the tiles on the wall. So we've got our feature tiles on now, and we're going to just continue doing all the big white 300 by 600s. All of our white 300 by 600 tiles are going up now. On our first layer, we made sure that we use a laser level and make sure that they line up with all the other tiles in the room. So we just prop them up on the floor, and then we have a nice straight line to go off, because sometimes these concrete slabs aren't absolutely perfect, so best to always do that. We just use all of the click system again, and that makes them all really nice, flat, even, and spaced out perfectly.
Thank you for following along on this episode. This is where I am going to leave it. Next time we will be showing you all the finishes. So floor tiles will be done, bath will be in, the mirror will be on, vanity finished. So come back and see what we have created. After that, we'll be getting into the master suite in this home. So follow along, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel and follow our renovation journeys.